Okay, what we're going to do today is wire up the Chordette Gem into our domestic hi-fi speakers so that we can play digital audio from our PC wirelessly into the Chordette. So this is how the Chordette arrives. There it is in its packaging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to whip this out, plug it in with domestic phono cables into our hi-fi. Phono cables in this instance I've got wired up already. Plug in our power supply and then use our aerial in the back so that we can receive signals up to 100 meters away in digital quality from our Bluetooth source, which could be a mobile phone, a PDA, laptop computer. What we're going to use first is our desktop PC, which most of us I'm sure are familiar with, and that's got this little device, a Bluetooth dongle, which is going to send our signals out from Windows Media Player into our hi-fi. So our Bluetooth software is already installed on the PC, so we're just going to go to New Connection, Express mode, so that it searches immediately for devices. It'll see the item, which is Chordette 3, and we just have to select that so that we can pair it by giving our 4-digit PIN code, which we enter. Now that it's in the device and paired, it's just a simple case of double clicking on the device to select it, and then it'll pair with the hi-fi. Once we've paired with the hi-fi, so all our signals are now streaming out of the desktop PC via that Bluetooth into the Chordette Gem, and then down those two phono cables into our hi-fi. So now we just pick our music, crank up the volume.
I'm broke but I'm happy, I'm poor but I'm kind, I'm short but I'm healthy, yeah. I'm high but I'm grounded, I'm sane but I'm overwhelmed.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is pair our Chordette Gem with a mobile telephone. So I'm going to flick the switch on the back of the Chordette Gem to tell it that it's USB, and then flick it again to tell it that it's Bluetooth in order to disconnect our computer. We're then going to go into the menu on our telephone, in this instance a Sony. I apologise for it being on its side. Go into our settings, go to Bluetooth, go to My Devices, enter our passcode, once the device is paired and connected, just a simple case of going into, in this instance, a Walkman phone's menu, hitting play, and selecting the track we want. And again, crank up the volume. The Chordette Gem sees the signal wirelessly from our phone.